Greetings, Photoshoppers. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lightsaber effect in Photoshop. Start by making a new layer to work on. Control-Shift-N or Command-Shift-N if you're on a Mac. Grab the pen tool. You can probably do this with a brush if you have a really awesome steady hand. I don't. So we'll do this with the pen tool. And you want to go right around to the middle-ish to create the blade. Yeah, that should be good. And you'll just click 4 points, and you want this to, kind of match the angle of wherever the hilt is going. This is almost straight up and down, but not quite. So we'll go a little bit more to the left. Right about there should be good. And that's decent. We can work with that for the purposes of this. It does not need to be perfect. We'll click shape. And that'll give us our center blade. From there, we're going to right click on our layer to bring up the blending options. Blending options. And to create the glow, you guessed it, we're going to go to outer glow. And it's already on a color that works pretty well. Maybe we want to, this looks like a New Hope blue, not the modern blue that you see in a lot of the other ones. But I'm good with it. We can go a little bit darker than that. That's too blue. Yeah, right there. That's good. And you can play with these sliders to get a more desirable glow effect, whatever works best for you. This works really good for me. I would probably leave this, but if you move the spread farther down, it brings it in a little bit tighter. But I like mine to, the glow should at least reach to the edge of the actual hilt. That's good. And you can increase the pixel size to make it even denser. That might be a little bit too much. Actually, that looks okay. We can go with that. And the range and jitter, like all of these affect. Obviously the range, you want a higher range. So it's a softer looking glow effect here. But each of these sliders will either subtly or greatly affect how your blade looks. That looks pretty good to me, right around there. I like that. And to give the inner part of the blade a little bit more definition, I like to add a drop shadow as well. Yeah, there we go. So now it looks like this is more of a solid, energy, plasma, what have you, and that the glowing part is something separate from it. You can play with the angle of this. I'm not sure how much it really matters. And I don't think it needs to be super thick. Like I like mine a little bit thin. Let's say right about there. That looks good. And that's it. Real quick and easy. Bing, bang, boom.